Hello everyone and welcome to my certification video for Google Forms. Today I'm going to create a quiz builder. So the instructions are: imagine you are asked to create a quiz on your favorite topic of your favorite subject. So my favorite topic is GK, general knowledge, so I'll create a quiz on that. Now to open Google Forms, you simply type in forms.google.com and this is the home page. Now this is my general knowledge quiz. Yeah, so this is the general knowledge quiz, and let me just give you a preview of it. So it's divided into two sections. In the first section you have to enter your name and email address, and in the second section there are the actual questions. So name, I'll just enter my name, and email address, so you have to enter a valid email address. It's not like you can just type anything and move on. So for example, if I just type AS and press next, it will tell me to enter a valid email ID. So that means that there needs to be a username followed by a domain name. See, now it accepted that. Now this is the second part, and these are all the questions. So let me just answer them. Which one of the following is one of the 7 wonders of the world? So the correct answer is Taj Mahal. So I'll just click there. Recognize the person in this picture. Which is the national animal of India? It's tiger. Who's the current Prime Minister of India? And which is the largest continent? So the largest continent is Asia. Now click on submit. And now once you've done that, it gives you two options. You can either view your score, or you can submit another response. So I'll just view my score. And see, the total points are 10 on 10. That's because all of my questions were answered correctly. So now let me tell you how I made this quiz. So I'll just click over here and I'll start a new form. So first there was the name and email address. So for that I just type in name and I change the question type to short answer, and then I toggle the required switch because like they have to answer it, they don't have a choice. And now to add the email form, so I just go over here on settings and click on this collect email addresses, and I click on save. So that automatically asks for your email address and it will automatically validate it as well. So now if I wanted to add that picture and change the color, how to do that? So to do that, we'll go to color palette, and over here we can change the color, and we can also add an image. See, we can choose any of these images, and from here, so there are lots of images and we can choose any one. I'll just choose this one and click on insert. Okay, so as you can see, now the image is over here. The image has been inserted. Okay, so after that, now we have to add the questions. So I just click on this plus sign to add another question, and suppose okay, so now this is the question, and the question type is multiple choice question. You can change it to different types. You can have a short answer, a long answer, or a paragraph, check boxes, drop down, linear scales, and date, time, and a lot of other things. But I'm going to choose multiple choice. And now these are the options. So now you can add options like this. Yeah, so now the options have been added, and like if you remember from the past one, so I also added images. So to do that, you can just, yeah, so to do that, you just type in the question and then you click on this image icon. So over here from your you can upload it from your computer. You can take a photo. You you can upload it by link. You can upload it from Google Photos, from Google Drive, or you can do a Google image search. So this is what I did. And suppose I want pictures of Mahatma Gandhi. So I just search Mahatma Gandhi and press enter. See, now all of these all are images of Mahatma Gandhi, and I can just choose anyone and press insert. See now the image of Mahatma Gandhi has been inserted, and right now it's pretty big, so you can also change the size. You can, yeah, so you can make it smaller so that like you can view it properly. And this has automatically changed to linear scale, but I'm just going to change it back to short answer. Now you might wonder how to add the correct answers to the quiz. So to do that, you just go to settings, quizzes, and make this a quiz. So once you make this a quiz, you can add points to each question, and you can also choose a correct answer. So let's look at this one. So see, we click on answer key, and then it will ask you to choose which one of these is the correct answer. So I'll choose Taj Mahal, and over here you can change the number of points that this question has. So we've done all of this, what to do, right? So let's move on. We've done this. So we are only left with this thing. Show how the responses are collected in the Excel file. So to do that, you go over here, responses, and actually it's not taken any responses. No, sorry. So we'll just go back to the quiz that we created earlier, the general knowledge quiz. And over here we go to responses because we answered this one, and we click over here on this spreadsheet icon. So now it'll ask you whether you want to create a new spreadsheet or select an existing spreadsheet, but I'll create a new one. See, now this is the spreadsheet, and this has the time, score, and then all of these questions that we asked. So those are displayed in the first row, and then the answers are displayed in the second. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.